This is a sponsor product. I got it to review for you guys. This is really cool birdhouse. It has a built-in camera that you can watch the birds while they are here and eating, having fun. So that is pretty cool. As you can see, this is the design. I just got the pole and install it on this pole. I have a bunch of other feeders over there, so the installation is super easy. All you have to do is just attach this bracket to the main unit. You have alien key here. You just secure it. That is pretty much it. I didn't tighten all the way down to show you guys some of the features, so you can just easily take out the camera unit. So in case you want to just do something with it or take access the SD card it comes with, so it comes installed right under this plastic piece. You can just easily take it out and watch whatever it was recorded. So it comes with this antenna for the wireless. It just makes the connection really strong. And over here we have the solar panel that is charging the unit. You can see it is pretty nice. It has a lot of room for lots of food. So the way you would just like fill it, the top comes out just like this. It just slides out and you can easily fill it just like this here, and that is pretty cool. So it charges with the solar, so you don't need to worry about the power in case you want to use the camera all the time. If you have sunny days, that will take care of the charging. So it comes with pretty long cable, but I didn't need to use the long cable, so you can just keep it as is or you can just navigate around. So that is pretty cool. Overall it looks really nice, kind of fancy looking. So I hope this was helpful.